Good morning. My name is Keith Reno with the Reno Lending Team at Prospect Mortgage, your nation's largest privately held direct lender. This week's mortgage update is brought to you by Deanna Rivetti at Keller Williams here in the Santa Clarita Valley, covering Santa Clarita and the greater Los Angeles area. I want to touch on two very important things, two very important updates. That's interest rates and FHA financing. Interest rates, if you haven't heard, they have certainly been going up over the past 2-3 weeks. We actually, in that time had 8 consecutive days of interest rates going up. Over the last 5 days, they've gone down for 3 and up for 2. So we'll hit, highs and lows and kind of see a bit of a wave action. But the overall trend for interest rates, will be upwards throughout 2011. So if you've kind of been on the fence and thinking about buying or thinking about refinancing, now is certainly the time. Go ahead and contact Deanna today. Deanna, she can be reached at 661-733-6644. Another very important update is on FHA loans. The credit scores for FHA financing, the requirement has dropped. We were requiring a 620 to a 640 credit score. Really all lenders out there really had that benchmark. Now, myself and my company, we're now going down to a 580 credit score. So if you were turned down in the past, or you were maybe worried that your credit score wouldn't be high enough to obtain a home loan, let's try to revisit the numbers, see if it can work. We can now go down to a 580. That's going to open up a lot of doors for folks. Do feel comfortable contacting myself and my team. I can be reached at 661-513-3118. And again, if you haven't yet been in touch with Deanna to get out there and start seeing property and seeing what's available to you, she can be reached at 661-733-6644. And thank you for spending a few minutes with us here today.